Welcome to the Tom's Hardware Deals Report. Today, we're looking at some great deals on storage and graphics cards that you won't want to miss. We'll kick things off by taking a look at NextStorage's 4TB SSD with Heatsink. /n This 4TB M.2 SSD with Heatsink is a great way to get a ton of storage in a single piece of hardware. It's priced at around 8 to 9 cents per gigabyte, and is an even better deal when you consider that it includes a heatsink. Whether you're looking to upgrade a PlayStation 5 console or use it on your PC, it's a great deal that's sure to meet your storage needs. /n Those of you looking to upgrade your graphics card should check out the XFX Speedster Merc 310 AMD Radeon RX 7900 XT and the ASRock Phantom Gaming Radeon RX 7900 XT. Both of these cards are from the latest generation of AMD GPUs and are currently on sale for about $799 each. Not only that, but they come with a free game code for The Last of Us Part 1. /n Next, we'll take a look at the NextStorage Japan 2TB SSD with Heatsink for PS5. It's currently priced at just $154, down from its original price of $184. A great way to get a decent amount of storage for PS5 without breaking the bank. /n If you're in the market for a breath of fresh air with a new laptop, you might want to check out the Alienware Aurora Ryzen Edition R14. This powerful laptop is currently on sale for $999 from its original price of $1,599. If you've been looking to upgrade your old laptop, now's your chance. /n We hope you enjoyed today's deals report. Thanks for watching. Keep up with us at Tom's Hardware for more great deals and reviews.